And if you see this, look at this beauty. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look. The Choo Station in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's just beautiful. Beautiful all around. Look at that. A lot of people don't know what that is. That's a typewriter. Oh, I grew up.
I should have asked him for a typewriter.
I grew up with them. What you asking for? We just saw Santa. Beautiful. Look. Look at this place. It's like stepping back in time. It's beautiful. Beautiful all around. We met Santa, didn't we? He didn't want to go ho, 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 because all the kids were going to come and they were going to get they were going to take our spot. So.
We're still going to write a letter.
This is inside the Choo Station. That's mainly for liquor. Let's go that way. No, mira, allá dibujan caricaturas. Allá dibujan caricaturas. That means they draw caricatures. Look at this, everybody.
PS5 is easily to do.
He said they were on back order. You know that means, you know what that means, right? That means the elves are working, but maybe they don't have enough. Maybe they don't have enough.